Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. SHAR-IT on both devices and the same local network. Open SHAR-IT on your PC, then on your iPhone. Grant the app access to photos and local network so transfers can occur. Once done, choose Send on the iPhone and Receive on the PC. This initiates discovery. Because SHAR-IT uses direct Wi-Fi, having both devices on the same router or using the phone's hotspot ensures a stable link. Otherwise, discovery fails. You now proceed with pairing. On iPhone, select the Files and tap Send. The PC should be in Receive mode showing a QR code or hotspot SSID. If you see a QR, scan from the iPhone. If using hotspot, connect the PC to the phone's temporary Wi-Fi and accept the connection. Once paired, press Start on the iPhone and watch the progress bar on both screens. Because transfers are direct, speed depends on signal strength. Move devices closer to boost throughput. You finish by locating received files in the PC's SHAR-IT folder and moving them to your preferred location. If a transfer stalls, make sure to restart SHAR-IT on both devices, reconnect Wi-Fi, and attempt pairing again. That fixes most hiccups. If problems persist, toggle local network permission for SHAR-IT on your iPhone and retry the pairing. Sometimes permission resets stop discovery. Finally, always verify file integrity after transfer so you don't miss corrupted or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.